Hello everyone. So the question given is in an experiment m grams of a compound X gas liquid solid taken in a container is loaded in a balance as shown in the figure first below. In the presence of a magnetic field, the pen with X is either deflected upwards figure 2 or deflected downwards like in figure 3. Depending on the compound X, identify the correct statements. First is balanced magnetic field absence, second upward deflection magnetic field present, and downward. Now the answer is option A, B and C. Paramagnetic substances are attracted by magnetic fields and diamagnetic substances are repelled by magnetic field. Now O2 is paramagnetic, H2O and C6H6 liquid are diamagnetic and K4FeCN6 is also diamagnetic. X equals to H2 which is diamagnetic and D equals to K4FeCN6 which is diamagnetic. Here Fe2 positive strong field ligand. Therefore 3D6 2GG6 Eg0. Now X is equals to O2 paramagnetic. Here O2G is paramagnetic due to two unpaired electrons present in pi star anti-bonding orbitals. Now D part X is equals to C6H6 liquid diamagnetic. It is incorrect. It is due to the presence of zero unpaired electrons.